Hello?
Hello?
Kaplan? Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Hey, this is Gary. I'm calling from Exterior Roofing Solutions. We wanted to give you a call because we're working in the area doing precautional roof inspections for the older roofs. Do you know how old is your roof currently?
Oh, about 20 years old.
20 years now? Okay. Is
Yep.
shingles?
You mean in the front, like from the second to the third floor where it's slanted? Yeah.
I mean to see like if it's a shingles type roof. Do you know the type of the roof?
It's a flat roof, and it's a rubber roof.
Okay.
And then, like,
Okay.
in the front, it slopes down, and there used to be slate there, but they took the slate off and they put shingles there.
Gotcha. And have you had it checked recently?
No, I haven't, and I know I got a little leak there.
Okay, great. Well, the inspection, it's a complimentary inspection, and what they do is they take some clear pictures and then review them with you and let you know the condition. Obviously, if you have any damage, you can get the options, like if you want to replace the roof or maybe go, from there somewhere in the future. That's also fine. It's a no obligation program. So would you guys be home this Monday?
No, I have a doctor's appointment Monday.
How about on Tuesday? Would that work?
It's a busy week for me.
We have slots in the evening as well, because the experts, they're already in the area, so, they'll be there this week.
What's the name of your company?
Exterior Roofing Solutions.
Okay, and let me write down your number.
Certified company? Yes.
Can you hold on and I'll take down your number and I'll call you when can I do that?
Sure. Can you give me a good time, like what time usually works for you guys? Morning?
Well, I'm retired, so like during the day, it's just specific days that like I'm not around for the whole day. You know what I'm saying?
I understand. Let's put you in for Tuesday, maybe 12 or something, and they'll give you a call. They'll confirm with you before they head out for your property, definitely.
What's the name of your company again? I want to write it down.
Exterior Roofing Solutions.
Okay.
Okay. And I have you at 74 H Street. That's you, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
H Street.
Yep.
Okay. Miss Kaplan, Kala, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm not wrong? All right, Kaplan. The experts, they'll give you a call on Tuesday. I'm putting you in for 12 p.m. And, they'll give you a call if you're there. Just meet the experts, have it inspected, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Any questions?
No, not right now. No.
All right, Kaplan. You have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.